The Internet of Things refers to the network of physical devices, vehicles, home appliances, and other items embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and connectivity which enable these objects to connect and exchange data. Sensors in IoT. Temperature sensors. Temperature sensors are used to measure the temperature of the environment and can be used in a wide range of applications such as smart homes and industrial automation. Motion sensors. Motion sensors detect movement and can be used in security system, lighting system, and smart homes. Pressure sensors. Pressure sensors measure the pressure of gases or liquids and can be used in industrial automation, automotive systems, and medical devices. Smart home automation. IoT sensors and actuators are used in smart home automation systems to control lighting, heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and security systems. These systems can be controlled remotely using a smartphone or a tablet. Industrial automation. IoT sensors and actuators are used in industrial automation systems to improve production efficiency and reduce cost. Smart agriculture. IoT sensors and actuators are used in smart agriculture systems to monitor soil moistures, temperature, and nutrient levels. These systems can also control irrigations and fertilization processes automatically, ensuring optimal crop growth and reducing water and fertilizer waste.